So to get to the stateroom, as soon as you come off the aft elevators, there's going to be next cruise in the middle. If you go over to the right hallway and then make a left going back towards the aft of the ship. And that's where you'll head to get to stateroom 6645. Hey Elvis. All right, y'all, we are on Navigator of the Seas. I am on deck 6. This is stateroom 6645, which is an interior room. The way that they have the room set up, it's a little different. I never saw it before. They have even on the outsides, and all the odd rooms are on the inside. I'm used to it where the evens are on one side of the ship and the odds on another side. So let's see what we have here as we go in. I got a peephole right here. All right. Let me get my card. All right, got my card here. Let me close the door. It had a little wedge here. Never seen that before.
Hi.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Thank you. Alright, looks like they were just a little bit behind, but that's fine. There's my little peephole. And of course my little emergency statement here. Where to go, what to do. We already checked in at our muster station. And here we go. Again, this is interior room. Let's see, first thing off is the closet on the left hand side. We got a little shelf above here. They used to have the safety vest in here, but it looks like they changed it. And now they are down here. All right, so that's a little different. Let's see, we got usable shelves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and plenty of hangers. This is more than enough room for me. And we got these 2 fold down things in case we want another hanger. Another place to hang things. Some more hangers over here with a laundry bag. And I don't have much stuff, so I might be able to put my luggage here instead of up under the beds like I normally do. So yeah, this closet is pretty big. I'm used to seeing a safe here, so it must be in a different spot. So the closet also has this extra little bar thing here. I feel like it's metal. Yeah, it's metal. I guess to hang things on if you have something to hang on there. That's the closet. Let's see here. All right, let's see what we got here. Announcement channel, on or off. I like to hear the announcement, so I'm gonna leave that on.
All guests. Currently, a percentage of our guests still need to complete the safety briefing, and unfortunately, we cannot allow anyone who has not completed it to sail with us today. It's simple. All you have to do is check in at your station, which you will find on the digital screen, the back of your stateroom door, and the large print on your seat pass card. For children between
So that doesn't work because I can't hear what this lady's saying at all.
found in your stateroom. Please be sure that your kids are wearing the wristbands.
I don't know. Let's see. Get some light here. Got our light switch. And we always want to know how much power we got. So 2 120 volts here. And we have these over here. So just the 2. We have the thermostat here. Yep, I like it a little cooler. I know it's not going to make a big difference because we're on a cruise, but you can adjust it colder or warmer based on what you like. Then what's here? We got some glass shelves in here. They're small, but it's a good spot to keep little knickknacks and things, so that's nice. And let's see. We got the casino saying, hey, we glad you got this free cruise. Come and see us and spend some more money. Special and press. Cruise compass gone green. And some more specials. And then we have another mirror / cabinet over here on this side. See if we can get a better view of that. Again, just some extra space, not anything fancy. And this is interesting because I'm seeing like 3 or 4 of me. There's a lot of mirrors in this room. If you like mirrors, this is your cabin. All right, so this is the one on the desk, but the one that I see me over here is actually this mirror. All right, floor to ceiling. I ain't mad at that. This is the first time I've ever seen a mirror like that. And Let's see. I don't know what this little shelf is about. If you need to put some stuff up there, but looks like they left a little room for some more storage. That's probably just the way the cabinets are built. Ice is available upon request. Of course, we'll be requesting ice. And some more shelves. All right. Put some things that's not clothes on here. So we can leave the closet just for the clothes. And I'm guessing the safe is here. Yep. So there's my safe. Close that up. And the TV, of course. Now let's see. The way this room is set up, got the TV here, the bed here with room on both sides. That is not good. Why do they leave that little bit of room? Really, y'all? Really? Can we not make the cabins a little bit bigger? Alright, so I'm turned around here. Alright, so we got the TV here, the bed over here with no leg room to scoot in there. And it's a good thing it's just me by myself. So this will be the side that I just keep my stuff on. But it's going to be hard to get over there to the phone. So, and to that lamp. So if you do get a room, get a cabin on Navigator to see, and it's an interior, you got another person, you might have a little challenge with that. Nice, as they call it, the Royal King bed with the Royal Caribbean little signature on the bedding. My dream setup looks like. And I've never seen this before. A mirror over the bed with more storage. Nice. Don't know that I would use that, but I think it's a nice touch. I'm gonna call this the mirror cabin. I've never seen so many mirrors in a cabin before. So looks like we got the nightstands on both sides. I'm not sure if there's some outlets over there or not. I'll check that out later. But both sides also have a nightstand. Look like they have lamps and reading light. Alright. So you got your little night light there. And it's adjustable. Okay. Alright. Let's see. If I pull this outside, do I see? I don't see any kind of power. Let me see if I see anything back here. I'm not seeing anything behind the bed. If it is behind the bed, it's way back behind the bed and won't be able to get to it. So I might have to contend with just the 2 power outlets. And this is a little different, the way they put this in here. Got a sofa here, no table, but they do have a sofa, so somewhere to sit other than the desk. And another light over here. Looks like we have lots and lots and lots of storage. I'm not sure what's going on with this bed. It's pulled out more than it should be. Looks like somebody was in a hurry to clean this room. Yep. Now the TV, let's see, does it swivel? It does swivel. See if I can get a better angle here. It does swivel. So if you're sitting on the couch over here, that'll be a better angle there. And let's see how far it swivels facing the bed. Swivels all the way facing the bed. All the way. Alright, good job, Royal Caribbean. Good job on the TV. I like the way it swivels out. Yep. And let's see. Do we have any ports back here? Looks like this one is the power. Let me look on the other side. And we have HDMI cables. Alright. So I'll check later on after I get settled to see if it actually works, if they actually let you plug into it, and might be able to watch some of my Netflix that I downloaded. We'll see. Alright, and of course the bathroom is on the other side of where the couch is, so let's go check that out. We got a couple hooks up here. That's going to be handy. Normally for me, that's where I would either hang my purse or my lanyard, things like that. And light switch for the bathroom. And this is just a door stop for the door handle to go into. Alright. Let's see here. The room itself is pretty nice. I'm going to be comfy here for the next 11 days. I'm here for a 4-day and a 7-day back-to-back cruise. Okay, looks like they got this little runner here. Keep people from damaging the wall so much. Yeah, you can tell the ship is kind of old. It has some, what do they call that? It has some character, I believe is what they call it. Yep. Let's see, and then the nightstands have little drawers with them. what I haven't seen yet is the blow dryer. It's probably in one of these drawers over here. Let me go back. Okay, I see a little trash can here. Let me pull this chair out. Got 4 drawers here. All right, yep, there's some more character. Oh, the drawers pull way out. Okay. All right, some tissue. Pull that out in case I need it. I have it handy. Another drawer with some character. This one kind of sticks, so it doesn't pull all the way out. This is extra storage here. And let's see what's on the other side here. All right, so what's in this one? All right, this looks like where the hair dryer would normally be. So did they move it? Yep, they put it here. So there's the blow dryer if I need it. Safe disposal of medical needles. Alrighty. Put that back down there. I wonder if they took this out because they changed the blow dryers. This is a Conning, and maybe they don't fit in these new ones. Let's see. I'm just being nosy now, y'all. Yeah, it's hard to close all the way, so that's why they took it out of there and put it in here. Not that we need to. I'm gonna leave that alone. All right, this third drawer, just like on the other one, doesn't pull all the way out. And bottom drawer with some character. All right, I'll get unpacked here soon when the luggage comes. This will be not too bad of a space to work with. And then let's see, under the TV next to these shelves here, we have our little mini bar. Keep it cool. Of course, that's just what it is. It's going to be cool and not cold. So it says, keep it cool but not cold. This appliance is a cooler, not a refrigerator. So keep that in mind. It is just to keep items cool, not freezing. And this is disappointing. I'm going to ask them for some shelves. We could at least have some shelves in the fridge. This is a really old fridge. You can see all the character on it. But yeah, at least give me some shelves. Come on now. Can I just get one shelf at least? Alright. And now let's check out the bathroom. Did I turn the light on? Okay, gotcha. Alright. Is this... So, they have the capsule style showers here. And it's a frosted glass, kind of frosted. It looks like the glass is wet, but it's not. It's textured. So that's interesting. I've never seen that on those, but interesting. And let's see what they got in the shower for us here. Drain down there. Nothing on this wall. We have a clothes hanger up here, going from this side to that side. And I don't know why, but I always think this is a light, and I know it's not because I've been in so many cruise ships, and I know it's not a light, but I just want it to be a light, I guess. But it's a vent. Looks like they need to tighten that up a little bit, but you got 2 soap dishes and hair and body wash here. And this is an adjustable shower head, so you can adjust it to the height that you need it to be. I think I'm gonna press this button. I think that's what's gonna let it go up and down. Yep. So I'm pretty tall. I'll leave it up. And then of course it has a worm to it, so it comes off. Let's put that back. All right. I like that they have the 2 soap dish, but I wish this one wasn't loose, because that way if you have soap and you need to bring your shampoo and conditioner, oh, that's good. A little what do you call those? Grab bar. They got a grab bar here. It looks like this is to turn it on and off, and this is to control the temperature. So not too bad. And it is a standard size bathroom, so it's quite cozy. This is a nice little extra touch. I don't know if I've seen this in a cruise room before, a cruise cabin before, but that's here to put some personal items on if you want. Conserve together. You know what they say. Turn the water off when you're brushing your teeth. Reuse towels when you can to limit the amount of laundry. Only flush toilet paper. And you have your toilet there. Now normally, okay, there it is. I was gonna say normally there is a toilet brush in the bathroom, and it's over there as usual. Now I actually got to step out because this bathroom is so cozy. I want for you to be able to see everything that's in here. So we have your lamp up here, a shaver outlet for the shaver. I was thinking a couple because in my head I saw two. But again, this is the mirror. The mirror cabin, I'm gonna call it. So we have one shaver here. Looks like this is a mirror, this is a mirror, but this is a cabinet. So let's see how much space they have in there. How is this? Is this knobs? That's where the hinges are. Okay. So 3 shelves there. Kind of cozy, but that's all you need for a cruise, right? You're not bringing your whole house with you like I am. And I like that they have the extra bar so things don't just roll off when the ship gets to moving. And nice size sink here. Again, some character. It gave me some soap, enough towels for 2. And okay, I guess they don't put the tissue here anymore because it was in the drawer, but this is where the tissue would normally go. Have a trash can, a little basin there for other stuff, and let's see, a towel to put on the floor when you get out of the shower so you don't soak up the floor and make it slippery, and some extra tissue along with a roll of tissue. And you got tissue back there, a couple of bags for disposing other stuff, and a couple glasses. The bathroom also has 4 hooks on there. I think that is really a good feature. I didn't notice that the first time when I was looking at it because it was behind me, but yeah, it has 4 hooks. Normally there's only 2 hooks, so that's pretty good. And the bathroom, yeah, this ain't regular soap. What you talking about? That's Royal Caribbean soap. Look at that logo right here. Yeah, this ain't no regular soap. You gotta be royalty to use this soap right here. I also like the backsplash here. That's a nice little extra feature. You got the little shells up here. I bet this was the jam when this ship first sailed. Now it has a little character on it, so let's see, the sink stopper. There we go. I was in a cabin, I was in a different cabin and the sink wasn't working, so I like to check that now. I also like the floor too. Notice the shower floor matches the rest of the bathroom floor. That's pretty nice design. So that is your bathroom. This is your interior cabin on Navigator of the Seas. And that is your tour. Alright, so if you are planning on booking an interior cabin on Navigator of the Seas, this is what you will expect to have. And I hope you have a great cruise. And I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next video. So this mini bar is not a refrigerator, but it still works pretty good. As you can see, I kind of propped it open with the ice tool. And of course, I had my stateroom attendant bring me some ice. It is, I don't know what time she brought it. It was here after I got back from dinner. So probably sometime after between 5 and 6. I think I was back in the room by 6. And I took out what ice I needed for my water and I put it in here. And this is still really, really cold. And when I look in here, I still have ice. And this is the next morning at 7 a.m. Normally it's all melted, but you can see some of it's melted, but I still have a pretty good amount of ice to fill up my water bottle. So yeah, I have heard tips to make sure that you prop this door open. This door all the way closed, but this door keep propped open. So I don't know, for some reason it lets the air circulate and lets the mini bar, or sometimes there's a refrigerator, but most times there's a mini bar, and it lets the air circulate to help keep it cooler.